much farther until we arrive? I'm thirsty.
It's been a long time, haha. Tell me your wishes.
I wish we had something to drink.
Your wish is my command.
That's great!
Hey, don't run! So amazing!
I want to touch it. What is this?
Marvelous!
I've never seen anything big like this.
What are those?
It is a juice vending machine.
Who is that idiot?
Let me show you. Here is your water.
I love it!
Oh, it's tap water.
We don't like tap water. We wish for some juice.
Your wish is my command. Watermelon, orange, kiwi, blueberry.
This is the finest drink I have ever tasted. My stomach is in great distress. I wish I had a toilet now.
A toilet, please.
Your wish is my command.
This is what we need.
Great. Yay, next is my turn.
Me first. Hurry up.
I'm done.
It's my turn. Hey, I'm not yet done.
I have fulfilled your 3 wishes. Farewell.
Oh no, my toilet.
How to build the juice vending machine. Step 1. Build the beverage pump. Add water pipe. Propeller. Add water. Step 2. Build the frame. Step 3. Connect the pump to a machine. Add a gold mine.
Hurry up, you lazy bastards.
This gold mine will make me richer.
How to build the sand screening machine. Step 1. Build the screen box. The sand holder. Step 2. Build the screen mesh. Metal mesh with 6 by 12 millimeter eyes. Step 3. Build the vibration motor. Connect to battery box. Gold out. Sand out. Wow! Testing. Lego brick. The machine vibrates horizontally to remove all the sand.
Let's start the machine.
The sand is falling down. Only the gold remains on the mesh.
Yeah, the gold is all sifted.
I'm so tired.
Why isn't it full of gold yet? Work faster, you idiots!
How to build the conveyor belt. Add the conveyor to the frame. Add the gearbox. Testing. Add the conveyor belt. Now the gold is automatically transported from the sand screening machine to the truck.
That's amazing. Yeah, we can get out of here now.
I will exchange trash for money. It's a lucky day for me. I'm going to exchange so many coins today. I can exchange trash for a lot of money. Mr. Hand, the street is overflowing with giant piles of trash. How to collect giant trash?
Let's build the new reverse vending machine.
Step 1. Build the sorting mechanism. Step 2. Build the feeding mechanism. Step 3. Build the payment door. Step 4. Set up system. Testing. Step 5. Build the machine casing.
Oh, it's so big. Let's see who can exchange more trash for money.
I have exchanged 2 coins.
I'll exchange more coins than Mr. Hand.
Wow, that's a lot of coins.
Why do you have more money than me? That's not fair. What the heck is this?
I'm giving you trash to exchange for money.
Can you throw this away?
Throw this in the trash, please.
Can you toss this out?
Please take out the trash for us over here, too.
Ooh, it smells awful.